Hi everyone. In this video, we'll try to understand what is edge security and what is the need for edge security. Edge security is not about just securing edge computing. It is potentially a new approach in defining user and enterprise security in the cloud connected world. IoT devices are rarely secured properly. It leaves a large number of vulnerable network entry points that is open for the attackers. We know that edge computing offers numerous benefits to business. It also increases the risk for cybersecurity threats to enter the corporate network. Deploying hundreds of edge computing devices creates hundreds of potential entry points for security breaches. And this particularly happens in big concerns where many endpoints feature built-in internet connectivity. It means that information technology no longer has centralized control or even full visibility. And as the attack surface expands, protecting data that resides in or moves through the edge device is a significant security challenge for the system. Here comes edge security to solve this problem by providing a built-in security stack to protect against zero-day threats, malware, and other vulnerabilities at the point of access. Rather than backhauling internet traffic over a WAN network to guard against the perils of internet connectivity, companies can securely steer traffic to the nearest point of access. Edge security is a type of enterprise security for corporate resources that are no longer located within the protective boundaries of a centralized data center. It is used to protect users and applications at the farthest reach or at the edge of a company's network where sensitive data is highly vulnerable to security threats. Existing security fundamentals like encryption, cryptography, system visibility, continuous monitoring, intrusion detection and prevention, access control, and principle of least privilege are the starting point for securing any new or reimagined technology. These security tools are often virtualized. Edge computing and network function virtualization are used together for improved security tools among the other users. Important aspects of edge security are listed here. First comes perimeter security, which secures access to edge compute resources through encrypted tunnels, firewall, and access control. Next comes application security. Beyond the network layer, edge compute devices run applications that must be secured properly. Next comes threat detection. As we know, edge computing is not centralized, so it is critically important for providers to employ proactive threat detection technologies to identify the potential issues at an early stage. Next comes vulnerability management, where both known and unknown vulnerabilities need to be managed properly. Last comes the patching cycles, where automated patching to keep devices up to date is important for reducing the potential attack surface. Next comes the critical components for effective edge security, which includes edge device security to protect endpoints, cloud security to protect data at the edge, network edge security to protect internet access. We'll see in detail about each of these components in the forthcoming slides. Edge computing devices can virtually take any form, from micro data centers at remote locations to sensors, security cameras, cache registers, and routers that demand fast local processing as a part of the vast web of IoT devices. And these endpoints are everywhere. The rapid shift to work from home models in response to the global pandemic introduced millions of distributed remote offices as well as BYOD devices, from laptops to smartphones to tablets for IT departments to manage. Often, the design of these edge devices prioritizes functionality and connectivity over security. Many lack user interface, which introduces additional challenges for IT visibility. And because they are often small and physically exposed, a device located at the edge of the network is also at risk of being stolen. Some strategies designed to secure the edge, like vulnerable VPN connections, can instead increase exposure to zero-day threats. In contrast, effective edge device security empowers IT with a single pane of glass to easily manage and monitor all the devices. Ongoing user authentication is automated with access control policies in place to make sure that users are who they say they are before access to company data is being granted. While edge device security is important, cloud edge security is critical. Though cloud continues to be the preferred location for aggregating and analyzing data, the sheer volume of data being produced by devices connected to the internet requires more processing. Edge computing by design moves processing and storage resources closer to the source of data to manage the load. But the movement of data from the edge to the cloud, and especially from the cloud back to the edge, makes it highly vulnerable to attacks. As organizations move cloud capabilities across the WAN to users at the edge, industries such as healthcare and finance have a higher burden to protect sensitive data that comes with strict compliance requirements. Cloud edge security prioritizes important security fundamentals such as encryption, both for data stored locally and for data in transit between the network core and edge computing devices. The shift to the network edge means users require direct internet access to cloud and SaaS applications. But while this connectivity improves access for users, it also increases the risk of malicious activity moving from the internet into the corporate network. With network edge security, the internet becomes a trusted method for connecting to enterprise resources. This important component provides the security features that companies need to secure access without compromising performance. Examples of network edge security solutions include web filtering, anti-malware, intrusion prevention systems, and next-generation firewalls that permit or deny traffic based on IP addresses, like functionalities that are often built into the organization's software-defined wide area network. In 2019, a new term was coined by Gartner to define a category of hardware and services that help in enabling edge security, which is called Secure Access Service Edge. SASE framework includes WAN capabilities with comprehensive network security functions like secure web gateways, cloud access security broker, firewall as a service, and zero trust network access to support the dynamic secure access needs of digital enterprises. SASE architecture also enables companies to bring networking and security back to the cloud where the applications and data are located and to ensure secure access regardless of the device location. It provides a set of best practices to secure applications and data in an era where work happens everywhere and users are the new network perimeter. Even though the term SASE is new, Gartner forecasts that by 2024, at least 40% of the enterprises will have explicit strategies to adopt to SASE architecture. Though edge security is relatively new, there are multiple vendors in space who have product offerings. Not all the vendors listed here fall into the SASE category because many of them lack WAN functionality and they only provide a subset of edge security needs. The top edge security vendors are Akamai, Cisco, Cloudflare, Fortinet, Palo Alto Networks, Cato Networks, VMware, and Zscaler. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe it and share it with your friends.